May nagpapalags dito mga bossing. Mga bossing magpapalags. Eh, merong may birthday ngayon. Yun ang may birthday.
Or individual na lang tayong platter. Kung anong gusto nyo.
Happy birthday, Ho!
Thank you. Individual.
What you gonna eat today?
Pork cutlet.
Pork cutlet number 8. Hello.
Wanna say happy birthday to your mom?
Happy birthday, Mother.
Mother.
Love you.
Sarap naman nun.
Wanna say happy birthday to your sister?
Happy birthday, sis. More years to come.
More years to come. Yan, naghahanap sila ng kanilang kakainin. Ako nakapili na ako eh. Sashimi ako, sashimi. Sashimi. Maliit lang to.
It's their lunch special. There. Ayun, parang kinakain natin.
I want tea. I want tea.
I want the
Tea. This is tea? Huh?
No, I didn't even notice the order. I didn't even notice the order.
Because it comes with miso soup salad.
Oh, just have the spicy salmon.
Spicy salmon?
Yung grilled, yan. Each one need miso soup. Who wants miso soup? I'll have miso. You want miso on the side?
Yes, please.
Miso. Okay, 5 miso soup on the side. And the seaweed, please. And he is having a la carte. What's yours? Taco. The octopus. It's grilled sashimi or no grilled? No. Is that
Yeah, just for the sushi.
That's
raw?
I thought it's grilled.
You gotta pick what you want. I'll have the 2 spicy salmon and roll. And I guess that's it for me. What's next? My husband will have
Sashimi.
sashimi. The sashimi bento. Is that the sashimi bento? Any other sashimi you can recommend?
But I recommend sashimi bentos.
That's good. Okay, sashimi
For the
bento.
ones for sure. For the price.
I'll have the salmon. Aldrin, what's yours?
Sashimi.
What's that?
It's snapper.
What's yours, Aldrin?
I'll get the pork cutlet.
Pork
Number 8.
again. He doesn't eat sushi.
He doesn't.
I don't want it.
Call it
Number 8.
number 8. Yeah.
And you?
Can I get the beef teriyaki bento? And do I get the like what roll does it come with? For
Yeah,
the
these
sushi?
are yours.
Oh, it's a first? Oh.
Yeah. But you can get a yam or kelly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I also have a peanut allergy.
We are not using any peanut tofu.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Why? I never say it on sushi dish.
Yeah.
Just to make sure.
Yeah, just in case.
Double check.
That's
Ah,
good,
they
yeah.
have to mention.
So I just want to double check with you guys. Tempura appetizer, 1 edamame, and then 5 miso soup. Miso soup I can make you guys all, you know, house. Right? And then 2 order of smashed salmon head roll. And then 1 salmon bento, and sashimi bento, and this salmon teriyaki bento, and Thai sashimi, and then fruit cola donburi, and then beef teriyaki bento. Thank you. It comes just 3 pieces, right?
Yeah.
Yes, just really small packets. 3 pieces. Yeah.
Your tea is good though, Aldrin. Try.
Yeah, tastes good.
Yeah. Tea is good. Doon ako nabuhay nung college sa Mani at saka Maisa. Ang good.
Sa mani.
Yan.
Manis.
Nasa mga tininda. Tsaka nasa mga tininda.
Ano yan? Tanghalihan, almusal?
Yeah, kahit tanghalian kayo.
Ay, nakakabusog nga naman ang mani. Ano?
Nakakakain lang kami doon sa mga resto sa recto. Mag-ililibre kami ng ating ma. Diba, mag-meet kami.
Sabi natin Janet, magsusolicit daw siya. Sasabihin ko sana, mayaman ang ina, bakit na magsusolicit? Mag-blow out kayo ng inyo dyan, mag-blow out kami namin dito. Kanya-kanya.
Magsusulisit. Narinig kay Papa Shower. Tapos po, may solicitation pa kayong ano.
Naka-record kayo. Oh. I-upload ko to.
Who cares? I'm just saying, it is what it is.
Maririnig nila to.
Mrs. for lunch specials. I actually brought 2 more on the house. I didn't want to leave anyone else.
Thank you.
That's a miso soup.
Thank you.
That's nice.
The best miso soup. Mag-miso soup tayo. Panghimagas.
Ano nga yun? Taho. Imbis lang ako. Talaga.
Pork cutlet.
Rice.
Yeah, there's rice in there.
Tarya.
It looks like there is nuts in there. But there's no. Ang laga, tayo lang nakain na mama. Pagsariwa ka na lang.
Sarap.
Yeah.
Ha?
Ito yun.
Tara na. Thank you, Alex.
Sabi ko na
Tempura. Wow. Dahil ilan pa. Wow.
Look at turn everything.
pinagaling. Blake pa eh. Blake pa siyang alam. Maray ko, Diyos ko.
Pinipilit ubusin. Sa Aldrin, ang dami kasi. Si Alex hindi talaga naubos.
Right.
Nangangayayat na si Alex.
Lalang ng language ay donuts, French fries.
Aalis na tayo, mga bossing.
Uwian na mga bossing. Busugan na. Ayos na, sold na. Thank you. Kailangan mag-blow ng candle.
Oh, there's one in Batters. Where is this one? Yeah, it's Batters Street, North Road.
Pag sa Batters, wala tayong
43.
parking.
Pick up nga lang eh. Ay, kaya lang di tayo tumawag. May makukuha kaya tayo. Can you try calling? Ask if they have available couples right now.
Hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng cake. Mag-muffin na lang kayo.
How about this one?
Tim Horton, maraming muffin.
And Hill Street.
Tim Horton.
Ano mo yan?
Ang sabi mo? Ang sabi mo?
Chose the place.
Choose the place? What you gonna get? A cake or this one? Which one you wanna get? Cake? That one?
Everyone's going to the wash.
Maybe the cheesecake.
Ano yung order niya? Ano yung order niyo, May?
Yung tart.
Ito?
Set na full meal. Ay, kakada na rin kalaki. Ano si Mama?
Ah, magkano?
Hindi nalaki.
Magkano ba yung order? Ilan ang in-order?
Fruit tart lang.
Isa lang?
Fruit tart. Tigisa kami ni Nana. Ati na tayo sa atin. Order lang ako sa kape.
Ah, sarap.
Tayo kandila.
Ba?
Makakapag-ingay ba tayo dito? Hindi. Ito, kandila. Sigaw na kandila.
Gusto niyo kandila?
Kandila sa
Yan ang dessert.
Imagine, hindi pa panain. Cup server.
Ano yan, vodka? Parang ang liit. One shot of vodka.
Isang sip kita here, we all share.
Share na lang.
Tapang to. Parang espresso na nilagyan ng nilagyan ng gatas. Gatas na nilagyan ng espresso. Sabihin nga ni Papot hindi sila kikita kay Papot. Pinabulang gatas na nilagyan ng kape.
Ano yung tawag dyan? Cappuccino?
Tapos, isang matapang lang, agat. Isang sip.
Sip ako ng isa.
I just wanna see how like
Anong tawag dyan?
like cheesecake. Parang version ng pero no bake yan eh.
No bake? What do you mean no bake?
No bake. Cheesecake. Pinapalamig.
Ah, pinapalamig lang.
Parang sa bake at like Mrs. Mars.
Anong Aldrin? Parang hindi sanay sa anything. Oh, you wanna join that table? Thank you. Oh, there we go.
Chair, give the lady a chair.
Hey, lady.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. No need the tinidor. Bye.
Word.
Hawakan mo, Aldrin. Hawakan mo. No, yung tinapay mismo.
Word, yeah.
Pud. Yan. Oh.
Yeah, thank you. Ito lang mga daan kasi.
Lagay mo na ang vodka mo. Shot mo na ang vodka mo.
That's water yan. Ang tawag sa Italy sa
Ala, ubos na eh.
wala na.
Hindi nagtira eh. Ubos. Said. Do you like it? One more? Ayaw mo. Ikaw naman magbabayad niyan.
You will have to pay that time. Hindi siya malilaw, diba?
Kumakain siya ng no-bake cheesecake.
Crumble cheesecake.
Tawag?
Crumble ang tawag dun eh. Pero ang tawag sa Pilipinas no bake cheesecake.
Tawag dito ay scrambled baked cake.
Crumble, hindi scramble. Cake yun eh.
Crumbled baked cake.
So it's got the lunchtime eh.
Sarap.
Matarap.
Andito ang camera, hindi dyan. Andito.
Matarap.
Masarap talagang ito. Alam ko. Cheesecake. Ayan pa.
Ito pa ang din. Buti mo.
Kain butter yan. Wala pang
Adrin.
I have to finish everything.
Because you like the sweets.
Laban Pilipino.
You don't like it? Ay. Ayaw.
Masi-masi.
Ayaw niya lang ng maka.
crumble. Ayaw niya ng cake.
Ayaw niya ng scramble.
Hindi na scramble. Crumble.